Hi there, I'm Thomas and I'm going to show you what you get when you're buying an LN-3 Seagull kit from Svenska Flygfabriken. In the first crate delivered, you will find the aft end of the aircraft. And for example, I will show you the horizontal stabilizer as it looks when delivered to you. All the important joints are already made in our jigs. We will need to bond the nose shell, looking like this. And we are going to bond the tip shell, like that, and then we are going to bond the fairing towards the vertical fin. But this part needs to be bonded when the stabilizer sits on the aft fuselage, so we have to probably wait with this part until it's done, until the aft fuselage are done. To help you in positioning all these parts, we have the inside of the crates, the wooden boxes with this part arriving in are marked templates for making all these supporting stands and jigs. So you begin with cutting out wood, assembling the help structure for assembling it. Okay, that's all for now.